Okay everyone, welcome back to Dr. Shourabh's classes. So this is an NGPE question, and NGPE stands for the National Graduate Physics Examination. Okay, so today we are looking at the question number 8, a plane progressive wave. So let's read the question first. The question says a plane progressive wave is traveling along the positive direction of x-axis where y and v represent the particle displacement and the speed of the wave respectively, and the equation of the wave are, there are 4 options and we have to calculate the correct one. Okay, just a second. Yeah, so look at the question first. It says the wave is moving in the positive x direction, right? Now in physics, direction is everything. If you go the wrong way in a wave equation, you don't just get the math wrong, you will end up in a parallel universe. So we have y, that is the particle displacement, and we have v, that is the speed of the wave, and x and t, that is the space and time. Okay, so a general wave traveling in the plus x direction is written as y is equal to this, right? Now note the minus sign. If it were traveling in the minus x direction, it will be x plus vt. Okay, so it's counterintuitive. I know physics likes to keep you on your toes. I know that. So let's take the partial derivative with respect to x. So del y del x is what? F dash x minus vt. Now let's do it with respect to t. Okay, so del y dt, del y del t is what? F dash x minus vt into minus v, right? So if we divide these two, we get what? We get del y dt. Del y del t is equal to what? Minus v del y del x, right? Now rearranging, that gives us del y del x plus 1 by v del y del t equal to 0. Wait a minute, that look like option number A, right? But hold on, we are not done yet. Now listen up. While option A works for a wave moving in a specific direction, the general differential equation of wave motion must be direction blind. It needs to work whether the wave is going left, right, or doing the cha-cha slide. So to get the direction independent version, we differentiate again. So this is where the magic happens. Okay, so second derivative with respect to t, this will be del x2, that is f double dash x minus vt, right? So second derivative with respect to t will be what? Del 2y del t2 equal to f double dash x minus vt into minus v whole square, that is v square f double dash x minus vt, right? Now look at this too. If we substitute the first into the second, we get the legendary, the iconic, the I should probably tattoo on my arm equation. So we'll get d2y dt2 is equal to v square d2y dx2. Okay, so rearrange it. So we get del 2y del x2 minus 1 by v square del 2y del t2 equal to 0. Okay, now let's look at the option number A. This is actually correct for a wave moving in the plus x direction. Okay, and the option number D, this is the standard second order equation, wave equation. But wait, why does the question say equations? because NGPE loves to see if you were paying attention. So both A and D are technically, mathematically valid descriptions of the specific weight. Okay, A and D. However, in the world of the standard physics textbook, option number D is the granddaddy wave equation because it's linear and the second order one. So the takeaway, if you see a first order equation like option number A, check the sign, and if it's plus x direction, the sign is in the equation is plus, and if you see the second order equation, it's always a minus between them for a standard wave. Okay, so if I talk about the specific solution, the first order, for y equal to f of x minus vt, the relation is what? Del y del x equal to 1 by v, this 1 by v del y del t. Okay, so which simplifies to option number A, right? And if I talk about the general solution, that is the second order. Now differentiating twice here's the standard wave equation, del 2y del x2 equal to 1 by v square del 2y del t2. Okay, which simplifies to option number D. So final answer will be both option number A and D are technically correct for a wave in the plus x direction, but option number D is the fundamental differential wave equation. Okay, so this was the complete logic for this question. So see you in the next session with a new NGPE question. Till then, bye bye.